Fasten your seatbelts and settle in. Skyrocketing your business is about to begin. At Peterson SEO, we specialize in website design and SEO services, specifically for restoration companies and contractors. Our mission is to help you grow your business and generate organic leads without relying on expensive lead programs, ads, or referral networks. Let's take a look at Client A, a longtime SEO client of Peterson SEO. In the last 30 days, they've seen a 158% increase in net ranking for tracked keywords and 149 total phone calls. Of those calls, 68 were from their Google business profile. Without our SEO services, they would have missed out on 81 of those calls and potential leads. Now let's look at Client B, a newer client who started SEO just a couple of months ago. In the last 30 days, they've experienced a 19% increase in website traffic, a 200% increase in net keyword ranking, and 90 phone calls. Of those calls, only 17 are from their Google business profile. Without website SEO, they would have missed out on 63 calls and potential leads. Proper SEO strategy is critical for the long-term growth of your business. If you're ready to start skyrocketing your business, it's time to book a discovery call and experience the Peterson SEO difference. Contact us today, and let's take your business to new heights.